It's easy to pair and install the Iris contact sensor. Here's how to get started. To begin, you should be in the same room as your hub. In the Iris app, go to the Add section, tap Device, and browse or search for the device. This will put the hub in pairing mode, indicated by a blinking green light. On the large piece, remove the back by squeezing the semicircles on either side. Install the battery and put the cover back, ensuring it snaps on. The sensor's LED will blink while searching for the hub. When the hub triple beeps, your device has been paired. Now let's install it. First, make sure the black dots on the sensor and magnet will align when the door, window, or cabinet is closed and are no more than 1/4 of an inch apart. Make sure the surface is clean and dry. Add the mounting adhesive to the back of each piece. Press and hold the sensor and magnet against the wall for 10 seconds. Finally, make sure the sensor and magnet are properly aligned by opening and closing the door or window. When open, the LED will light. When closed, it will turn off.